biggest misconception about VoIP is that it's easy to install and that, any half-skilled IT person can do it. Certainly that is not the case. First of all, you're going to have to understand voice systems intimately and all the nuances and complications that are involved in putting in a phone system. Second of all, now, probably more important and even more difficult, you're going to have to know everything about networks. Voice is an application on a network, but it's a sensitive application. So you're going to have to understand firewalls, switches, routers, sound cards, headsets. To make things even more complicated, there's 5 to 10 of every one of those devices. Finally, to have a successful VoIP installation, arguably the hardest part is porting numbers. It seems like it would be easy. Call a telco, tell them to move your numbers, but that's so not the case. First of all, when you're porting numbers from a telephone company, a Bell, a Shaw, a Rogers, you're essentially stealing their customer. They will do everything they can to make that difficult. That might mean you're going to have to know how their phone bills are set up, how their bills are set up, all the account names. Put it this way, if you have a comma out of place, they have every right to reject the port, and believe me, they do. At Telexperts, this is what we do. We understand every nuance of it. We have the expertise. We've installed 3,000 phone systems, 350 VoIP systems already. We have 10 voice technicians, 10 IT technicians, and we work as a consolidated, tight-knit team to ensure that your VoIP installation is seamless and smooth.